What's up, guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8.
This is Merry Christmas to you. We're all in love with Christmas, it's true. And all I want for Christmas is you.
So, today's not much, just a normal day. But I thought, I'd film a little mukbang. I went to Chipotle, got me a chicken bowl. And I'm gonna talk about, like, why I started YouTube and stuff. What motivated me, why I keep posting, why my posting is random. I hope I don't spill this food on the floor. I almost did. Tough. Can we change this angle real quick? I don't want to show too much, but yeah. Alright, so why I started YouTube. At first, I started watching other YouTubers and I was like, I want to like make videos like that. And then I just couldn't find out what I should do. So I just like started talking around, and my one friend was like, you should do hairstyle videos because you always have different hairstyles. It's unique. You should do that. So I started 8 months ago was my first video. Then after that I posted I think a Q&A. My Q&A was trash. I didn't like it. I wanted to delete it or retake it, but I'm gonna definitely have to have a new one because it doesn't answer many questions. Hopefully this will answer some things that people wonder. A lot of people ask me, like when I say I have a YouTube channel, they ask me, what is it about? And I've been trying to figure that out because, like, there's only so much I could do with my hair to a certain extent. Like, I have like a plan of what I'm gonna do with my hair up until a certain point, and then like after that, it's like, what am I gonna do? I don't want to do reactions. I don't think I'm good at reactions because I never like react like what people are looking for. It's like very simple. So I picked a name. Me and my friend were walking out of school one day. I had like 7 names there, all as a part of my name, and then like I think I did part of my name, part of my last name, and each of them just rearrange all the letters. So what I did was O-M-E was the last 3 letters of my last name, Jerome, J-E-R-O-M-E, and then X-A-V, the beginning of my first name. So you have Omexav. And then lifestyle is because I don't know what like I want to do like strictly on this channel. So I have lifestyle to also include like everything I do in my life on like a daily basis and stuff like that. Or not daily basis, but things that I always do, which isn't much right now, but as the future goes on, you'll see like from what I started to where I am now, which is gonna be a huge difference like 5 years from now or something like that. Another reason I record random things is so other people can see it. So on my channel I have Meme Day, Throwback Thursday, what else? Class night, my sister's, no, not, did I do the baby shower? I think it was the gender reveal. Things like that so people could see it. And then if you think about it, what's really cool, like with my sister, is when my nephew grows up, he like looks at that and he's like, oh wow, look at all the family that was at mommy's gender reveal. And then she posted the like day he was born and stuff like that, and she has videos of him like as a baby, which would be really cool to grow up and be like, yo, I'm a baby on YouTube. Like, that's tough. But and it'd be even cooler if like my channel keeps going, all my videos stay here, and like, let's see, I'm 16, around 10 years from now, no, probably more than 10, maybe like 15, like I have kids and then like they see my channel and they're like, dang, look at dad when he was like 15 back in 2017. Oh wait, no, 8 months ago, never mind, that's still 2018. So 2018, so that would be pretty cool. But finding out what to do on my channel is like the main thing I've been trying to do, and like establish like a recording setup. So I've been slowly buying like different phones with different camera quality, different mics, bought the ring light, I'm saving for a camera, gotta get a computer, all those things so that I can just like improve everything. Another reason it's hard to record is because, of course, school, that takes up a lot of your time. I see a lot of people like around school that are like, oh, I want to do YouTube, it's really cool. And they're like, I don't have the time because of school. And I'm like, yeah, I feel you. But it's all like, I can't even say it's like you got to fit it in. You just got to like figure out like your life, what's going on, and then like include it. But I still can't decide like what to do strictly on my channel, like, because hairstyles is one thing, and then of course in the future I'm gonna have a gaming channel. I have one now, it's RCX. If you look up RCX Fortnite, you'll see it. But like, I don't do much on there because having a gaming channel, you need time to play the game, like, and then also edit it, which I don't have time to do that and this channel right now. But in the future, I'll definitely do both. And then I'll probably have like a vlogging channel. So like in the future, I'll probably have different channels. I don't know what this channel is going to be about though. Or if this channel has the most subscribers, this will probably become like a vlogging channel because it's Omexav lifestyle. So I keep spilling things. I want to get this room set up, but we're supposed to be moving next year. I don't know about that, but it'd be really cool to change all that. And everything I was using, I used to sit, there's a area right in front of me, I used to sit there right next to the window, but it gets really crammed in there. And I had a black blanket that hung right here, but it's really small in there once you're sitting down. I also want a gaming chair, like, not for gaming, but like one of those type chairs so I could be comfortable. Yeah, I don't really know what else. I think right now it's really cool to have videos posted of like everything through high school and like everything while I'm like young or whatever, and then like I could look at it in the future and be like, yo, that's pretty cool, I did that and now I'm here. I plan on being somewhere successful in the future. I want to try to gain subscribers based off of like people who will actually watch me, which is a good 25 to around 50 people maybe, or that's how many views I get on average. Some of my videos blow up, some of them don't. That's normal. But I see a lot of YouTubers who have millions of subscribers but only get thousands of views. So I'm pretty sure by now they cracked their system to figure out what people like the most and which will get the most views. I haven't done that yet, but based off just numbers on my channel, hairstyles obviously do the best. But yeah, I gotta start doing different things. Like the hair I have in now, I haven't done that one on any type of video, but I could, which I should. And then probably like dye it or something. I'm gonna dye this like tonight, but not on video because I just don't think I am. But yeah. And I've been trying to do this Vlogmas thing, which is like not easy at all. Shout out to everybody who daily vlogs. Like, that's not easy at all. You need video ideas. And then, like, you need a way to get it done. I have enough video ideas to carry out the rest of the 25 days. But how they're going to get done is, like, still a mystery. But, like, once you live on your own or whatever, you can go do what it is you want to do and film your videos. But being in school and then like you can't go anywhere, no, it's not that easy. I keep dropping everything. It's really cold outside. I think the cold is making me lose my voice. So yeah. But I need to start. I'm gonna do a Christmas wish list later. I'm gonna look at some like clothes, hair product maybe, electronics and things like that, setups, cameras, all that stuff. I have a general idea of everything that I want. Will I get it? Probably not. Will I save for it after Christmas? Definitely. But yeah. What else? I don't know. I'm about to go do homework, which sucks, but gotta get it done. I have no idea what else to talk about. That might just be the end of the video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I want to know how many people aren't subscribed but watching the video. If my numbers go up, that means you wasn't subscribed and you was watching my videos, which you should subscribe. Also, you should like this video and comment more video ideas I should do. I'm gonna, throughout the rest of the 25 days, I'm gonna do different things, and I'm gonna use the statistics off of that to, you know, see what people like the most and try doing it. If it's easy, like mukbangs are easy, people watch it, people like what you talk about. Things like challenges, pranks, I'm not gonna be able to do any like pranks or challenges yet, but things like hairstyles I can do because, you know, I'm sitting here, I have time, and I do my hair all the time. And then, you know, that would be easy. So, I guess I'll see you guys later on after I do my homework. If you don't see me later on, that means I didn't do my homework. So, peace.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.